Chinita Motovlog again. So ngayon kadarating ko lang sa may Malabon. Medyo malapit na to sa amin. So time check, it's already 3:49 AM in the morning. So medyo 3 hours yata din yung nabiyahe namin going to Malabon from Tagaytay. So yun, medyo inaantok lang, at least safe kaming nakarating ng mga kasama ko. At ongoing pa lang yung iba na papuntang bahay. So, yun lang. Oh, wait. In a while, ito-check ko kung magkano yung magiging consumption ko going to Malabon. I mean, going to Tagaytay from Malabon. So, nabawasan siya ng 3 bars. Mamaya-maya malalaman ko kung magkano yung consumption back and forth. So, let's wait. Nakita na natin kung magkano yung consumption back and forth to Malabon, and that's 195 pesos. So, sobrang sulit na din. Kung magko-commute tayo, baka umabot pa siya ng more or less 500. At least hawak natin yung time natin. Anytime pwede tayong stop over. So yun lang. So once again, this is Chinita Motovlog and saying arat! Gutom na! So ride safe, ride soon everyone. Bye! Good night!